Zamboanga Gaming. Today, we will be interviewing some coaches and athletes here at DPPSU during the Dia de Zamboanga.
I'm Barbelia J. Ligaton and I'm from senior high school and I'm dance sport.
So, when did you start playing and who influenced you from playing the sport?
Nag-start ako nung elementary, tapos na-encourage sa akin para mag-sayaw or sabihin natin dance sport. Iba't ibang sayaw kasi sinasayaw, hindi lang dance sport. Ang mother ko, tapos teachers and sarili ko syempre.
What advice can you give for other athletes for them to be good in their performance?
Push nyo lang yun, tapos mag-training lang kayo, tapos maniwala lang kayo sa mga sinasabi ng mga coach.
Thank you!
Good afternoon po. Good afternoon.
Ian Manayon po.
So, question po. When did you start playing and who influenced you from playing the sport?
When I started playing chess, chess is sport ko. Sa mga hindi po nagagalap, chess by sport ko. So, when I was 3 years old, so nag-start na po ako maglaro. And then, one of the things na nag-influence sa akin na maglaro is yung mother ko. So, kasi yung mother ko is varsity from the Wingsu chess. So, siya yung nag-influence sa akin na maglaro hanggang sa, hanggang ngayon na develop ko pa rin. And at the same time, na-improve ko na din siya.
So, yung next question ko po is, what advice can you give for other athletes for them to be good in their performance?
For me, advice ko sa lahat ng mga atleta, kailangan nyo lang pagtitiin talaga and kailangan talaga sa paglalaro talaga, hindi lang siya pwede isinasa puso lang. Kailangan may disiplina rin tayo sa sarili natin kasi isa yun sa mga reason kung bakit ang isang athlete nag-i-improve because dahil dun sa disiplina na yun. So, syempre, kung may disiplina tayo sa sarili natin, mas nagiging maganda yung pagka-development ng isang atleta. So, kailangan natin ng disiplina, not also the discipline, kailangan natin ng hard work na rin also kasi syempre, pag lalo tayong nag-hard work sa sport natin, mas na-improve natin yung skills natin and doon natin nakikita kung hanggang saan pa yung kaya natin maglaro.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
So hi po, good afternoon. So first of all, my name is So I am Zandri Enon Kakan. From what department? I am from the College of Physical Education and Sport. Okay. So, magtatanong ako ng questions sa iyo. Just 2 questions and you're just gonna answer it thoroughly and personally. So first is, what strategies or techniques do you use to develop and enhance your skills?
For me, I believe it's consistency. I believe that there's more wide for a person or a dancer athlete like me to improve my skills more through consistency, because I believe that everything can be trained, everything can enhance more through consistency, and that's one thing that we must keep in mind when we are joining different competitions.
Alright, very well said by Mr. Unkaka. So, the next question is, what type of feedback is most effective for you in the process of learning and motor skills?
For me, both. I accept positive feedback and also negative feedback, because I believe that both of them can really uplift me, can make me even boost myself into creating myself better, because I really believe that though they are opposite, but still they can still, something that we call progress we have in mind. And I believe that we should always accept the feedback, because through feedback we are able to assess what are the things that we could improve more, what are the fields or areas that we can, upgrade more. And I think that, positive and negative feedback is the best.
Okay, very well said by Mr. Nkakan. So that is all, and thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer P. Ramos and I'm with
Christine Ungal from Bed 1A.
So, ano yung sinali mo sa Dia de Zamboanga?
So, ang pinilihan ko po ay children.
So, I have a question for you. When did you start playing and who influenced you from playing the sport?
So, to be specific, I am also an athlete and also a dancer. So magpo-focus tayo sa dancer. So, na-influensyahan ko siya dahil sa aking mama na kasi kaya rin siya. Tapos, gustong-gusto ko siyang maabot talaga. Like, ano talaga, makapadevelop yung kaya ko kaya.
Wow. So next is, what advice can you give for other athletes for them to be good in their sport?
So, ang masasabi ko lang, ang ma-advise ko lang sa mga kabataan dyan na mag-focus kayo sa inyong goal at saka i-develop nyo ang inyong skills kung ano man ang inyong mga talents or skills. So, dapat magkaroon din kayo ng time management. Isa din yan sa mga strategy para ma-focus nyo ang inyong goal. Tapos, dapat magkaroon kayo ng consistency and discipline, and that's all.
Thank you so much po for
My name is Maria Edna Lim Justice from PPED 1. Pwede po ba kita i-interview? So may I know what is your sport?
My sport naman is basketball.
Basketball. So, when did you start playing and who influenced you from playing the sport?
So I started when I was young. And who influenced me? My father kasi he plays basketball and I idolize him. So parang when I realized na he's a basketball player, so dapat basketball player niya. So
Okay, thank you. So, what strategies or techniques do you use to develop and enhance your skills?
So, sa mga techniques ko, I really started sa mga basics, fundamentals ng basketball to practice before mag-advance yung mga yung skills ko. So, nag-start ako sa basics, sa mga fundamentals. At least, diba, nag-start ako sa fundamentals, so dapat nagagawa natin yung mga kailangan gawin sa basketball. So,
Okay. So, what type of feedback is most effective for you in the process of learning the motor skills?
So for me, important for me is the cognitive students or the athletes. Diyan kasi nagsisimula if ano yung alam ng athlete about that sport. So if wala kasi alam yung athlete or hindi niya naiintindihan ano yung nilalaro niya, parang it's useless lang din. So parang sa akin mas importante yung cognitive stage with
So, my question po. So, are there any specific, by the way, ano po yung sports mo or
Ako member ng Paris School.
first question po ako? Are there any specific tools or exercises that have been effectively improving your skills? How often do you practice your skills?
Paano ko pinag-practice yung skills? Yung pagiging consistent sa pag-training and also mas maging productive lalo na talaga kapag may mga activity na talaga.
Are there any specific as a student na kasama ka sa mga extracurricular activities, you have to manage your time talaga, especially sa ACADS mo. And ayun lang naman, minsan lang on stage pero hindi
Celebración de colores, celebración de...
Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer Ramos. Maria Edna and we are with
James Bradley.
ano po yung tinuturo mo?
I am the head choreographer of the Super Eagles Concert.
How important is feedback?
Well, as a both athlete and coach, feedback is very essential in sports because it helps the athletes to identify their areas of areas of improvements, and also feedback will help the athletes to understand their mistake and correct it immediately. And aside from that, providing feedback to your athlete will also provide them a motivation and encourage them to help themselves to improve on their skills.
So the second question is, what advice can you give for a beginner athlete or dancer or starting fitness?
Well, the best advice that I can give to the let me say the newbie in the field of sports, just always trust yourself. Do not pull down yourself, because the more you give a negative the more you adopt a negative comments from your co-athlete, then it will really drop your confidence. So if I were you, just do whatever you love and everything will follow.